A wonderful good morning to one and all. Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious day, I feel privileged to share some views on India's greatness. Freedom is not free. Every generation has to fight for their own freedom. Fighting for freedom is finding solutions for the challenges that we are encountering in our day-to-day life. To celebrate freedom, we need to find solutions for the current challenges that we are encountering in our day-to-day scenario. Most of the Indians are not feeling proud to be an Indian. If we are not feeling proud to be an Indian, then we get attracted towards other countries and we neglect our own motherland. We use our potentials to develop other countries, not our own country. If this continues, how would our motherland live? What an adverse effect will be there on our own country? With inferior attitude in mind, what can we give to our next generation? This is a big question for all of us. We have to think very seriously. Today, we are becoming like those people who know way to America, but we do not know the way to Amroha, which is a part of India and which is near to us. We know much about other country, but not about our own Indian heritage. We know more about others, but not about ourselves. We know more about economy of international, but we didn't have an idea or even a little awareness of Chanakya's economy, which is being followed by the most of countries of the world. Valentine's Day is being a part of our culture, but do we know how to follow the traditions of our own traditional festivals? Remember, we were slaves and we would remain slaves if we don't know about ourselves. So let us know about what is India. Do you know every country imports every product that have from other countries, but every country imports smart intelligent teachers, engineers, doctors and scientists only from India? The world's first university was founded in 700 BC in India and it offered 60 subjects, and the whole world came to India to pursue higher education. The world's first medical system was Ayurveda, created by an Indian. World's first most ancient language is Sanskrit, which was spoken and found in India. The first surgery in the world was performed by Charaka, an Indian. Over 30% of doctors in America are Indians. Over 36% NASA scientists are Indians. Over 34% of Microsoft experts are Indians. Most of the leading companies have Indian experts in positions, and moreover, 12% of exceptional scientists are Indians. If I continue the list, it would never have an end. So, be proud to be an Indian and be a real Indian. Serving the nation is not a sacrifice, it's a privilege. We are given the privilege and let's make use of it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.